This is tensioninfiltrometer by Abron Exports. You know, the bubbles are coming from bottom tube and the tension is created here. You see this, it is coming here. You see this negative, and then when the tension is created, only then you see the bubbles are coming, and it is coming from both the tubes. On the bubbling tower tube, these bubbles are coming. You see, this is coming, and from the water tower, this is coming from outside. This one is, when it is attached, it is just attached to this disc. You can see there is a disc has attachment, and one stopcock is here to release the water. And for calibration, it is done with the hand pump. When both the tubes are open from the top, this one is, both are closed. So here you can have the vacuum, and then if you column, it is for calibration. Here column. The more the length of this tube, the more is this tension is there. So we have the full instrument with us. Please visit and write to us and to the Abron Export on abron01@gmail.com. Thank you very much.